EduCom CEO Elvis King suddenly passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Elvis King, CEO of EduCom Corporate Credit Union, has passed away, the company announced on Thursday. King passed away suddenly on Thursday, the company said in a statement. Due to King's passing, all EduCom branches were closed early on Thursday at 12 noon. King served for more than 30 years in the financial services business, working his way up the corporate ladder and joining the Association of Assistant Masters and Masterses as a loan officer in 1991. Throughout his career, he served in a number of positions, including marketing manager and also general manager. Prior to him being appointed CEO of EduCom, King served as general manager of the Association of Assistant Masters and Masterses, which in 2015 merged operation with the UWI Corporate Credit Union to form EduCom. Links 007 TV does want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.